How to screenshot using AssistiveTouch on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Accessibility. Inside the Accessibility menu, scroll down to the Physical and Motor section and tap on Touch. You are now on the Touch Settings page. From the top of this menu, tap on AssistiveTouch. Make sure that the toggle switch for AssistiveTouch is turned on. A floating on-screen button will now appear on your screen. Go to your home screen and tap this floating button to open the menu. From the options that appear, simply tap on Screenshot. A preview of your screenshot will appear at the bottom left corner. You can tap on the preview to edit, save, or share it immediately. Following these steps, you can easily screenshot on an iPhone using AssistiveTouch.